Welcome to the Logic Factor with me, Justice Malala, where I ask you to think straight like the pinstripes on an 80s trouser. Last week, I asked you what you thought of Oscar Pistorius being released for parole in August. And a third of you thought B, he should be locked up for life. And another third of you thought D, let the legal system do its job. You know, you people, sometimes you offer me a glimmer of hope, a tiny possibility of logic, trusting in the courts, and then bam! No, screw logic! Let's just send people to jail forever! You people are exhausting! This week, I want to know what you think about South Africa failing to detain Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir. Do you think A, sorry what? B, this clear and blatant violation of the Constitution is an outrage? C, we might have started a war with Sudan. War sucks. Or D, the ICC is clearly a biased and racist institution. So, there you have it. A, B, C, or D. You can vote on our website or Facebook. Share your logic with us and I'll be back next week to tell you just how logical or illogical your answers were.